Well, hello everybody. Brandon here, building the Jeep J3000 truck. When we redid the leaf springs in the front, we added a leaf which raised the frame from the axles about 2 inches. Because of this, the rubber brake line wouldn't reach the mount, and so we had to use a drop bracket. This video is about how I make my drop brackets. This is kind of what it looks like when it's done. I like to use aluminum strip. So the first thing I do is get the aluminum strip and get it prepped. First thing I do is I'll cut it to length and I round off the corners on my grinding wheel. Next, I mark where I want to have the holes. I use a step drill in order to get the holes the correct size. I always punch the spot before I start drilling. Once I drill the holes, I like to clean it up a little bit on the wire wheel. After that, I make marks where I want to make my bends in the bracket. Then using my hammer and my vise, I bend the bracket to about what I want it to be. After that, I'll mount the hose to the new bracket and I'll check fitment to make sure that I've got enough drop. If I don't, I start the whole process over. Luckily this time, it was the right size. Go Jeep!